Hey family, welcome back to the News, Knowledge, and Life channel. And I got a touching message here, a very, very important message that I want to bring forward to the family. And right now, the farmers here in the U.S. They said that they fear the coronavirus will curb the migrant workforce, lead to produce shortages. And I've been saying all along, family, that they're going to starve you out. That's what they're going to do. They're letting you know right now there's a food shortage. We know that there's an agenda, this NWO agenda that's going on. And, they're going to force people in these FEMA camps. And a lot of people finna be getting these chips put up in them. And also getting infected with all kinds of diseases and turning them to mutants and zombies. We know that. And these are the things that they're going to use to get you in those FEMA camps. So right now it's time for each and every one of us out there to start growing our own food. Like last year, I put out a series called Come Grow With Me, the Grow series. That's going to be starting up in 2 weeks here. I'm getting ready to start putting the seeds in the ground, and I'm going to show you, family, how to do this, just like last year, how to grow your own food from your own home. And I had so much produce last year, family, I couldn't, I had to give a lot of that stuff away. I had to give it all, not all of it, but a lot of it away because once I got through preserving a lot of that stuff and, eating all that good food, you got so much, you give it to your neighbors, or you give it to people, family members and stuff. That's what I did. And that's what we all got to start doing. Everybody got to start looking into growing their own produce, because when you might wake up one day and be hungry and go to the store and all of the grocery stores is closed. And what do you do next? What are you going to do when the doors close on you? And that's why I'm here to spread this message to the family. The Grow series is coming up in 2 weeks. I'm going to be putting seeds in the ground. I'm going to be growing everything from potatoes on up. And I'm going to show you all how fast, this stuff comes up, because we need produce. Without produce, we really can't survive. And the government know that. And with this NWO shit that's going on, they're going to run, a lot of you all going to run straight to the FEMA camps when the grocery stores close. You're going to run right to the FEMA camps and they're going to say, the only way we're going to give you food is if you take this shot. And once you take that shot, they got your ass. They done infected you with the coronavirus and other diseases, and also mutated. They're going to mutate you, which is going to turn you to a zombie. Now they can control you through a computer chip. They can control your mind, your thoughts, everything through a computer chip. And that's what they're going to do. So right now, I suggest each and every one of us in the melanated family to get ready and get your seeds together. I've been telling people, instead of buying all of this other nonsense bullshit that's going on, everybody hitting the grocery stores, you should have been buying seeds. You should have went and spent $500 to $1,000 on seeds. Because at the end of the day, when it's warming up, and it's going to continue to warm up, and it's time to break that ground. Because these seeds when they go in the ground, everything going to come up. You ain't going to have nothing but food. You're going to have nothing but produce right there. And if we're all growing, we all can help each other. You got a neighbor. They all growing. They growing things that you ain't growing. You get them what you got. They give you what they got. And you just keep that movement going. Through the family, through neighbors, through everything, family. Because right now, this is what's needed. And I started that Grow series last year, and I'm going to keep that Grow series going every year. Because it's all about showing the family how to do it. A lot of people didn't pay attention to their grandmothers or their parents when they was trying to teach them how to grow their own produce. That's why our ancestors back in the day, you know what I mean, when we was coming up, a lot of us was coming up, was trying to teach us how to garden. I'm one of them guys that paid attention, family. And I'm here to give you what I have, the tools that I have, so you can do it too. Everybody can do this, family. We all can do this. And if we all grow our own food, we're going to be all right. Because we can have our own farmers markets. We can have our own community farmers markets. Where instead of going to the store, we don't need the stores no more. We got our own where we can go in and purchase or trade fruits and vegetables in this market. We got some people that's growing watermelon. We got some people growing peppers and cucumbers and potatoes and tomatoes, everything. Fresh thyme, basil, all kinds of herbs. This is what's up, family. This is what's up. It's time for everybody to put their heads together and start working as a community for real. Because that's where they got us at. That's where these demons got us at. They got us where we are not working together. And, you know, they got us when we was weak. We're weak right now as a race. And it's time to build and get stronger as a race. And show these motherfuckers who we really are. And show them we do not need you and your system to take care of us and our families. All we need is each other. Because we all we get. And some of you all ain't going to be working. And I suggest you all to start using your mind. If you got $300-400 or whatever, even $100, go spend it all on seeds. Go spend $200-400 on seeds and see what it's going to get you when you put that garden up and you have all of that produce. See what it's going to get you and how much money that you put into that with the seeds and how much money it's going to get you back. So a lot of you all are talking about jobs and you think, and we know the job market's going to get ready to shut down and we ain't in this job future, family. So the way that we can make things happen is growing our own stuff and have our own farmers markets and stuff going in our communities where we don't care who you is. You can be a white motherfucker. If you came around there, we gonna charge you more though. You know what I mean? Because we know what y'all doing, but we're gonna charge you more than the family. You know? But at the end of the day, we can make money in growing our own stuff, family. And that's what we need to do. We need to put our heads together and we need to start moving forward and without this system, this corrupt system that's out to destroy us. So, just had to bring that to you, family. You know, everything finna shut down. Do not go to no FEMA camps and take no goddamn shots. Because you done ran out of food and you didn't go out there and invest in the right stuff. By investing in these seeds that you need to put in the ground or in your pots at home. You can grow stuff from home. And you got massive produce that continue to, well, every time you pick it, this shit grow right back. Bam, 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 bam. And you got plenty of food on the table for you and your family. So keep on coming back to this page, family. You know, I got the link up, to this article here. And also the Cash App is up there. So y'all support this new Grow series that I'm finna do. Because the Grow series is all for y'all. It's for us. And it's time for us all to start tuning in to these Grow series. I suggest a lot of you black YouTubers out there that's bringing the truth out there to go out there and get your hands dirty and show the family how to grow as well. I want everybody to feed off this message. Because if I can pass the message to the next brother and sister, you can do the same thing. We need to all feed off each other. And we got to continue to do that to build. And I want to say thank you all for tuning in, family. Your man King Williams is out of here. Catch me on the next video. Hit the like, subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed, and keep on coming back. Your man King Williams is out. One love. Peace.